So we have Adam. We have Bob. Right now, Bob is 3 years younger than twice Bob's age. So 3 years younger, twice Bob's age, and Bob is X. But remember, we have to switch the order of these two terms, so it's actually 2x minus 3. So Adam is 2x minus 3. Let's put now. The question says in 5 years, so we need to set up the 5-year column. So we need to find their ages in 5 years. So Adam in 5 years is going to be 2x minus 3, and I'll do it over here. 2x minus 3 plus 5, which is the same thing as 2x plus 2. That's his age 5 years from now. Bob is going to be easy, x plus 5. Okay. I'll set up the equation. It says in 5 years, Adam, who is 2x plus 2, will be equals 8 more than whatever Bob is, x plus 5. Oops, I forgot to push. 2x plus 2 equals 13 plus x. Let's get rid of this x, so minus x gives me x plus 2 equals 13. We're going to subtract 2 from each side. X equals 11. What are their ages? Well, let's go back here. So Bob is 11. And this guy here is 2 times 11, right? Adam is 2 times 11 minus 3. So 2 times 11 minus 3. 2 times 11 is 22. Minus 3 gives me 19. So Adam is 19. Let's check as well. So it's 2 times 11 plus 2 on the left side. On the right side, it's 8 plus 11 plus 5. I replace the x's with 11. On the left side, 2 times 11 is 22 plus 2. That gives me 24. On the right side, 8 plus 11 is 19. 19 plus 5 is also 24. Very good. And the answer is this 19 and 11. Okay, Amy. Amy is 12 years old, more than half of Penny's age in 7 years. Blah, blah. Okay, so let's set up Amy. Amy now, and we do plus 7. Amy and who? Penny. So Amy's 12 years right now more. So 12 plus half of Penny age. So whatever Penny is divided by 2. And Penny is just Penny, or P. In 7 years, sometime in the future, Penny is going to be P plus 7. Amy is going to be, and I'll do it here on the side, 12. That's our age right now. And then let's add 7 to that. If we have 7 to that, we can combine the 12 and 7 and just call it 19 plus P over 2. There we go. Now we know their ages. Both of their ages 7 years from now. Let's use those to set up the equation. So it said 7 years, Amy's age, here's Amy, 19 plus P over 2, will be 22 years less than twice Penny's age. So we're going to do a switch, right? So 22 years less. So it's subtraction. Instead of writing 22 as the first term, you write 22 as the second term, and then 2 times Penny's age comes to the front. So it's 2 times Penny's age, which is P plus 7. Let's do a distributive property. So we get 19 plus P over 2 equals 2P plus 14, because 2 times 7 is 14, minus 22. 19 plus P over 2 equals 2P, and 14 minus 22 is 8, negative 8. We have variables on both sides. Let's get rid of the smaller one. So we're going to get rid of this P over 2. So we can do minus P over 2 on both sides. I'll bring this here. So if we do that, these two go away. I'm left with 19 equals 1.5p minus 8. Next, I do plus 8, The 8's go away. I'm left with 1.5p. 19 plus 8 is 27. Divide both sides by 1.5. And p equals some number, 18. So Penny is 18 years old. Amy is 12 plus half of Penny's age. 18 divided by 2 is 9, so 19 plus 12 is 21. So Penny is 21 years old. Okay. Three. Yikes. Quadruple. I don't hear that word too often. Here's Leonard, and here's Sheldon. I call him Leo. Let's see. Leo is 64 years less than 4 times Sheldon's age. How old is Sheldon? We don't know. Call him X. And then Leo is in terms of Sheldon, so 68 less, so that's written as 68 less than 4x, but you know that we have to switch the order, so that's actually 4x minus 68. 12 years, in 12 years, so this is now, by the way, and then plus 12, let's write plus 12, in 12 years. Sheldon's going to be x plus 12, so that's easy. Leo is going to be 4x minus 68, and then we're going to do plus 12. So it's 4x, and that's going to be minus 56. So 4x minus 56. What am I doing? So in 12 years, Leo's age, which is 4x minus 56, will be 24 less than, so 24 less, because it's less than, we know the 24 go in the back, less than 2 times Sheldon age, 2 times whatever Sheldon is, which is x plus 12. There. 4x minus 56 equals 2 times x plus 2 times 12, which is 24, minus 24. Oh, good. On the left side is 4x minus 56. On the right side, these two go away. Sorry, not those two. These two. I'm left with 2x. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. We get 2x minus 56 equals 0, plus 56 on both sides. We're going to get 2x equals 56, and divide by 2, x equals 28. So Sheldon here is 28 years old. Okay, Leo is 4 times 28 minus 68. So 4 times 28 is 112. Minus 68 makes it 44. So Leo is going to be 44 years of age. Okay, so again, we can do a check here. We can come back and plug it in and make sure the left equals the right. We have Lauren, and then we have Eric. Lauren is okay. Right now, Lauren is 37 years less than double Eric's age. Do we know anything about Eric? No, let's call him X. So this is a turnaround word, less than, so 37 goes in the back. And then we're going to do 2x in the front. So this is now in 3 years, so 3 years into the future. So let's get their ages 3 years from now. So x plus 3 for Eric. And then we do 2x minus 37 plus 3. We actually get 2x minus 34. That's their ages in the future. So now, in 3 years, Lauren's age, 2x minus 34, will be, in other words, equal 11 more than means that half of Eric's age. So we're going to take Eric's age, x plus 3, and divide it by 2. All right, so there's a little bit of everything here, right? So now we can clear that fraction. We can clear it here if you don't want to deal with that denominator too. You're going to take and multiply everything on the right side by 2, and everything on the everything on the left side by 2, and everything on the right side by 2. That way I don't have to worry about fractions. So we get 4x minus 68 equals 22 plus x plus 3, right? Because again, with that, and then multiply this times this, and you get that. So 4x minus 68 equals, let's add these two, 22 and 3 is 25 plus x. We have variables on both sides, get rid of the x minus x minus x. That goes away. 4x minus 3x is 3x minus 68 equals 25. We're going to do plus 68 on both sides. That goes away. 3x equals, what is this, 13, 6, 7, 8, 93. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 31. So Eric is 31. Lauren is 2 times 31 minus 37. So 2 times 31 is 62 minus 37 makes her 25. Yay, last problem. Hansel and Gretel. So H and G. So Hansel is 12 years less than. So again, that less than word. So we know we're going to switch the order. So it's going to be 12 as the second term. And the first term is going to be 4 times Gretel's age, which we don't know. Call it x. So 4 times Gretel's age minus 12 is Hansel. That's now 6 years plus 6. Gretel's x plus 6. Hansel is going to be, let me do it on top, 4x minus 12 plus 6. Can we combine these two? Yes. We're going to go 4x minus 6. There we go. So in 6 years, Hansel's age, which is 4x minus 6, will be equals 3 more than half of Gretel's age. X plus 6 in parentheses divided by 2. Same thing as the previous problem, right? I'm going to multiply this whole side by 2. Multiply this whole side by 2. Don't want to worry about denominators, fractions. 2 times 4 is 8x. 2 times 6 is negative 12, right? It's really copy. 2 times this, 3 is 6. And then when I multiply 2 times this term here, this term and this simplify to 1, and I'm left with x plus 6. Now it's much easier. 8x minus 12 equals 12 plus x, right? Let's get rid of this x, minus x, minus x. And then we have 7x minus 12 equals 12. We're going to do plus 12 here, plus 12 here. 7x equals 24. Divide by 7, divide by 7. X equals 3 and, that's kind of weird, 3/7. Hopefully that's not, well, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that, hang on a second. And so is 12 less, let me just go back to the beginning. So 12 less than 4 times Gretel's age, 4x minus 12. X in 6 years plus 6 minus 6, x plus 6. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 12. 2 times 3 is 6. That simplifies, x plus 6. can't see what I mean, if I did anything wrong, I mean, just that. Okay, so if Gretel is 3 3/7 years old, Hansel would be, let's keep it like this, and I'm going to take a look at it one more time, see if there's any mistakes. Hansel will be 4 times, and I'm going to use the improper fraction here, 4 times 24/7 minus 12. Let's see what that looks like. 4 times 24/7 minus 12, which makes this person over here a year and 5/7. Alright, so Hansel is this. And again, if you guys figure out what I did wrong, you can let me know. And then Gretel is this. Let me just take a look one more time. Hansel is 12 years less than 4 times Gretel's age. Okay, Gretel is x. Hansel is 4x minus 12. 6 years in the future, 4x minus 12 plus 6. Minus 6, x plus 6, so far so good. In 6 years, her age, Hansel's age, which is 4x minus 6, will be 3 years more than half of Gretel's age, which is x plus 6. I'm okay with that. Okay, so just give me a second. I'm going to do it on paper here. 4x minus 6 equals 3 plus x plus 6 over 2. Let's do 4x minus 9 equals x plus 6 over 2. 8x minus 18 equals x plus 6. Minus x is 7x. No, I keep getting the same thing, so I'll leave it at that. If you got a different one, let me know.